Hi guys, it's Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, here to bring you more free sound effects that you guys can use on your films. So today's free sound effect is going to be a tree falling, which isn't good because, you know, Mother Nature and shit. So here's a sound effect of a tree falling in the woods. And guess what? It does make us, oh doesn't it? That's a question for another video. That's supposed to be all the woodland critters running around afterwards, like in the confusion of the tree falling. So I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching. I love you.